Hello. Today I will show you how to easy repair and fix Xiaomi Roborock, Xiaowa E20E202 Vacuum Cleaner Robot Battery at home. It's very simple. For a few tens of dollars, you will not only get back your favorite home cleaner robot, but you will improve it. A few weeks ago, my robot started to die in the middle of the room, in the most literal sense. It didn't respond to button presses, it only woke up when I put it on the charger. Looking at the app, I concluded that my robot's battery was at 0%. Whenever it was charged to 100%, when starting work it went silent at around 60% battery level, switched off. Looking at the cleaning history, you can see that the robot has worked a lot. More than 600 charging cycles have been carried out. I found on the internet that a lithium-ion battery's average lifespan is 2 to 3 years or 300 to 500 charge cycles. For me, both criteria have been exceeded. Since you're on the Techscrew channel, you won't have to spend more than $300 buying a new Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner robot, but I'll show you how you can fix it easily and cheaply. Start by putting your robot on the operating table. Then use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the side brush, as it will get in the way of removing the bottom cover, underneath which is the battery, and unscrew the other screws, which hold the bottom cover in place. Then carefully remove the bottom cover. As we can see from the amount of dust, this has never been done. This dust has settled well here, but never mind, suck up all the dust if you have already removed the cover. You can also see where the heart of the robot is, or the battery, which has served its life. Disconnect the battery. It can be a bit fiddly, but with a little screwdriver you will manage to disconnect the battery connector. This is the socket that this battery connector hooks into. Here are the battery numbers. As you can see, the battery is from 2014, today it is 2022. The robot will be in my use for almost 4 years. Then type in Aliexpress or in Google your vacuum cleaner robot model, and add the word battery or replacement battery words, and choose the most suitable and advantageous option for you. Important: before ordering a battery, measure your battery, and compare to match the size, shape and if the battery connector is the same shape and color wiring. As my original battery was only 2600 mAh, I chose a much larger one. I would recommend you do the same. A few weeks later the battery is here, well packed, and ready to wake our sleeping beauty. As you can see, I have chosen a battery with almost 3 times the capacity. I can't wait, so I put the new battery right where the old one was. Arrange the wires so that they don't get pinched when screwing the cover on. Screw the cover on, but don't forget any screws, and attach the brush, but you have to twist it until it's in the right place and then you can screw it on. So, something is not okay. Not responding robot must be put on the charger. Often require draining the batteries before shipping. I already like this music. Really, the robot was hungry. The app shows that the battery is 56%. Let's charge it full and try the clearing test. As you can see in the cleaning history, the robot was not able to clean the apartment with the old battery. It died in the process. New battery have gone from 56% to 100% fully charged battery. This took a total of 2.5 hours. So the big moment of revelation is here. We start the robot to clean the apartment. It works. That's a lot. As I can see, the battery is sitting much slower. The robot has already worked longer than before and has cleaned more square meters than it was previously able to. Also, the battery is only 70% used up. Super. Everything works and the battery is significantly more capacity. Whereas before the robot could not clean an apartment on one charge, now it can do it on one charge and still have so much left over. I'm very happy to have fixed my favorite cleaning assistant for less than $30. Even better, not just fixed it, but upgraded it with a bigger battery. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, feel free to hit the like and subscribe buttons to support my do-it-yourself work, and I'll see you in another money-saving video. Thank you.